Hey friends, if you encounter API MS Win Crt Runtime DLL missing error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, open your browser and then search for uh, Microsoft C++ redistributable and hit enter. Go to the first link, the learn.microsoft.com one. Scroll down and download the x64 version. Click on open. I agree to the following license terms, install and install it. Okay, so this is the first solution. And the next one is to perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.